The Department of Pediatric Surgery at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences deals with the infants, children up to 12 years of age who have various congenital malformations, cancers, and other diseases which require surgical intervention. This is the department which is one of the pioneer ones, not only in the country but at the international level. The department got established in 1971, and since then it has got involved in the patient care and also the postgraduate level of teaching and training. It conducts a 3-year degree course leading to the award of MCH degree, and also lately in 1979 it started a 6-year degree course leading to the award of MCH degree directly after MBBS. So far, during the past almost 45 years or so, we have produced over 100 MCH candidates fully trained in pediatric surgery, as well as several PhD students from this department. The department offers a comprehensive training in teaching and also the advanced patient care with the most complex malformations, various types of cancers seen in children, and also the various types of infections that affect the neonates, infants, and children. The department also provides a comprehensive rural health care at the Civil Hospital, Balabghat. The teaching and training facilities present in the department include the newborn surgery for various congenital malformations that the newborns present with either intestinal obstruction, respiratory distress, urinary obstruction, abdominal wall defects, or various other lesions. The department is also actively involved in the reconstructive urological service that constitutes about our 25% of the workload, and that includes correction of the blocks at the PUJ level or the hydronephrosis. Similarly, the reconstruction of the ureters, the extrophy bladder, the hypospadias, the epispadias, and several other malformations that affect the genitourinary tract in children. Another interesting field to intervene is removal of the foreign bodies. In India, sheer because of ignorance, many children come with the swallowed foreign bodies like coins, peanuts, almonds, and several other even metallic foreign bodies, and even the battery injections, which are really very serious. So the department has the facilities for taking care of all those serious and life-threatening problems to be dealt with in emergency. Tumors, or so-called cancers in children, are also different from those seen in adults, and we have children who suffer from cancers right from newborns up to 14 years of age that we deal with. And so we not only provide them surgical, diagnostic, and therapeutic help, but we also have the facilities to provide the chemotherapy, and we admit them for radiotherapy services as well. Another area of our expertise is hepatobiliary surgery, where we deal with the infections, cysts, tumors, cancers of the liver, and also the cyst formations in the biliary tree. Gastrointestinal field is another one, and it requires sometimes very major procedures including esophageal replacement, either using colon, gastric tube, anorectal malformations. The surgery for anorectal malformation and Hirschsprung's disease is a very specialized one, and this department is performing these procedures for over 45 years. We have also been doing cranial surgery related only to specialized field like hydrocephalus, craniosynostosis, and spina bifida. Various diagnostic and therapeutic facilities are also available in the department, which include the endoscopic procedures for the respiratory and esophageal tracts, urodynamic facilities, uroflowmetries, and also the manometry facilities for evaluating the esophageal pH for reflux, and also to evaluate the motility of the disorder of the stomach, anorectum, and esophagus in children. The department is involved in conducting the need-based experimental and clinical research, including the long-term results of our department, which I am happy to share that is second to none, not only in the country but in